How to clone your voice perfectly 11 Labs. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be diving into something that feels straight out of the future. How to perfectly clone your voice using 11 Labs. Now, voice cloning isn't just a cool trick anymore. It is a powerful tool for content creators, business owners, and anyone who wants to scale their voice without constantly recording. Now, imagine creating YouTube videos, audiobooks, or even automated customer responses using a voice that sounds exactly like you. No robotic tone, no awkward pauses, just a natural human like speech. So, in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step through the entire process from recording your voice properly to training the AI and getting output that sounds almost indistinguishable from the real thing. So, first off, let's understand how the actual voice cloning works. And for that, we're going to come over to ElevenLabs.io and we're going to go straight into the dashboard. Now, if you don't have an account, the account creation process is really simple and really straightforward. So do go ahead and make an account for yourself. Now, once you're over here, before we jump into the process, it is important to understand what's actually happening behind the scenes. So 11 Lab uses advanced AI models trained on speech patterns, tone, pitch, and rhythm. Now, when you provide voice samples, the system analyzes how you actually speak, your pauses, your emphasis, your natural flow, and builds a digital voice model based on that data. So the quality of your cloned voice actually depends heavily on the quality of your input. So that means if your recordings are really clean, consistent, and expressive, your AI voice will sound incredibly realistic. But if your input is messy or inconsistent, the output will reflect that. So, right from the start, your focus should be on giving the AI the best possible version of your own voice. So, let's talk about recording the perfect voice samples because this is where most people either succeed or completely mess things up for themselves. So, to get a perfect voice clone, you need high quality voice samples. So, a few things that you are going to need to keep an idea of is first of all, start recording in a quiet environment. Okay, no background noise, no echo, no distractions. Use a decent microphone if you have one, but even a good phone mic can work if used correctly. All right. Then moving on, do make sure to speak naturally. Don't go ahead and overcompensate things by, speaking too loud or speaking too low. Just speak naturally as you usually do, and that should work for you. All right. The key is going to be consistency because without any amount of consistency, you will not be able to maintain the same tone and energy that is needed throughout your recording. Now, you're going to want to record multiple samples covering different types of speeches, including conversational sentences, expressive lines, and even slightly emotional tones. Now, this gives the AI more data to understand how your voice actually behaves in different situations. So do make sure to don't rush the step. Spend time getting clean recordings because this is the foundation of everything that comes next. Now, the places that you can record is use either a recording software like you have Adobe Audition, all right? Most people do use Adobe Audition or they go ahead and use Audacity. Okay, these are totally free audio softwares that allow you to record your voices on it. They're totally free. You can go ahead and download them anytime you want. And they also give you a lot of things to tweak your voice on. That is pretty incredible. You can add noise suppression if you want to, just to cut out voices from the back. But I would suggest to keep everything stock, just so your voice doesn't sound automated. So once your recordings are ready, you're going to head over 11 to 11 Labs, okay? And once we're inside the dashboard, right on the left-hand side, you're going to find the voices section, just as so. Now, in the voices section, here it's going to give you an option that says create a new voice. You're going to click on that. And once you click on that, here it's going to give you four options. Now, the four options are voice design, which says design an entirely new voice from a text prompt. There's instant voice clone, which is clone your voice with only 10 seconds of audio. Professional voice clone, which creates the most realistic digital replica of your voice, which requires at least 30 minutes of your clean audio. And then voice remixing, which transforms existing voices with text prompts to create new voice. Now, if you want to go ahead and obviously clone your very own voice, you're going to go with one of these two options. Now, one of these two options are going to be on the subscription. You either need the starter or the creator plan. Without these two plans, you will not be able to clone or duplicate your voice. So do make sure to upgrade yourself. They're pretty cheap, $5 a month and $11 a month. So go ahead and get them for yourself, because once you do, you'll be able to add in your voices in this section. And of course, once you've added them, it's going to go ahead and process that audio, and your voice is going to be cloned on ElevenLabs. Now, once that is done, there comes the exciting part, actually using your cloned voice. In ElevenLabs, you can type any text and generate speech using your own custom voice. So in the voices section, it will show you your custom voice down here, all right? Or you can simply go ahead and add in the filter of custom voices. So here's the custom rate. You can put that in, and once that is done, you're going to find your custom voices down here. What you can do is you can simply choose your voice. So, you choose the voice for yourself, and what you can do is you can actually take it into the studio. All right, you can click on use voice right here. And once you click on use voice, it's obviously going to naturally take you to the studio where you can go ahead and add in text to speech. All right, so that text to speech can be anything. You can go ahead and write in whatever prompt you want. But here's the secret most people don't actually talk about. The way you write your text directly affects how natural the actual output sounds. Do make sure to write like you speak. Use punctuations to control pauses, add commas when you would naturally pause, and structure sentences in a conversational way. If you want emphasis, slightly tweak the wording to guide the AI. Put it in caps, or maybe put an exclamation mark in front of it. These are things that you are going to want to keep an idea of. Now, moving on, over here are things you're going to want to tweak as well. So what speed you want, what stability in voice you want. Variable is, a lot more words in the voice. More stable is less words, but more stability. Similarity, according to the text, do make sure to keep this at a pretty decent rate if you want it to follow the text exactly. And style exaggeration, again, that also depends on you. So once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and export your audio. And once you have done that, you're going to have a clone voice that will follow the text that you're giving it. And obviously, once that is done, you can go ahead and fine tune it for perfection using the same audio softwares like Adobe Audition, and then you have Audacity. These are different voice models that you can use to perfect your cloned voice. Once you have it, the possibilities are going to be endless. You can use it to create YouTube voiceovers without recording every time, generate audiobooks, automate customer support, or even localize your content into multiple languages while keeping your unique voice identity. This is where voice cloning goes from being just a cool feature to a serious productivity tool. Think about it. Your voice can now work for you 24/7. So, creating content, delivering messages, and scaling your presence without requiring you to be physically present is the best thing you can get. And that's pretty much how you can clone your voice perfectly using ElevenLabs. From recording high quality samples to training your own AI model, generating speech, and fine tuning to perfection. So that is pretty much about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.